Hello everyone, welcome back to another mathematics lesson at TOBAM Learning Solutions. If I toss this coin, can you tell me exactly whether it will land on heads or...
Probably not. And if I roll this dice, can you guarantee that I'll roll a 6?
No.
But we can talk about how likely each outcome is. And that's exactly
what we're learning today. Our topic is probability.
Probability is the chance that something will happen. Probability equals number
Of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes.
Example 1. A bag has 3 red balls and 2 blue balls. What is the probability of picking a red
ball? Solution. Number of favorable outcomes equals 3.
Total number of outcomes equals 5. 3 red plus 2 blue. Probability equals 3/5, which is 0.6.
Example 2. A spinner has 8 equal sections. 4 are red, 2 are blue, and 2 are green.
What is the probability of landing on blue? Solution. Number of favorable outcomes equals to 2 blue. Total number of outcomes equals to 8. Probability equals 2/8. In its simplest form is 1/4 or 0.25.
Your turn. You can pause the video if you want.
If you got all the answers correctly, thumbs up. Here's an important rule to remember. Probability can never be less than 0 or greater than 1.
Fantastic work today. If you understood probability better after this lesson, give this video a like and subscribe to TOBAM Learning Solutions for more engaging mathematics lessons. I'll see you in the next lesson. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.